Yo, what's up guys? Today we're doing it Uzi only, and make sure to like and subscribe so I can subscribe once again so I can get 100 subscribers. Now let's get into the video. We're doing Uzi. By the way, I made myself a new profile for some test dummy because it's super hard to make a test dummy.
That's pretty cool profile.
Round starting.
Oh my gosh.
Round
Jimmy,
starting.
over here, follow me! But if you use any money to get them along.
Round starting.
I'm trying.
Round starting.
Oh my gosh, bro.
Yo,
Just rush over here. Nice. Oh, I only hit it for 11.
okay, for some reason.
Round starting.
Monkey.
Round starting.
Go to me!
No, I'm only a sniper. You're so bad. Oh my god.
How am I dead? Get out.
I don't get sniper. Jake, hit my bullet. Why do I have to? I want them to eat my.
Follow me. Follow me. I know the best
Eat my
spot.
grenade. Please.
Jimmy, follow me right here. Follow me.
Eat my sniper. Eat my sniper.
What is this?
Eat my sniper. Eat my things. Eat my whatever. Eat my something. I don't know. What? Are we not dead?
Round starting.
Dead.
Go! Oh, I got hit.
I got 274.
Oh my gosh, nice teammate.
10. Eat my crossbow. Eat my crossbow.
Round starting.
You can give me a high five though.
Oh.
Round starting.
Fuck. Well, I had a 5 if you want to use.
Oh my god.
95 and dollars instead over.
Round starting.
Oh, I died, teammate.
How much did you hit him for? I'm at 77 HP by the way. Is that my?
Round starting.
Oh, you were sniper.
Oh my gosh.
I forgot you're a sniper.
Round starting.
What? Alright, one's pushing. 7-4. No, how did I?
Get hit by sniper.
I'm in. I'm doing double.
Oh no! Alright guys, that's the end of the video. Make sure to like and subscribe and bye.